Let's go over the installation procedure for the cruise control resume, set, cancel switch. It's mounted here on the steering wheel. It's pretty straightforward. We're going to take our Phillips screwdriver and insert it into the side here and simply remove the two screws located holding it down. Once both screws have been removed, we can pull our switch back in order to gain access to the electrical connector here. We're going to press the little release tab and get the old switch out of the way. Take our new switch, line it up, make a tight connection, install our two screws, and we should be ready to go. If any trouble codes have been set by the malfunctioning switch previously, it might be necessary to go in and erase memory.